Meantime, here in the Valley, people are also split on how they feel about what's happening. ABC 15's Pete Serratos discovered some are at least happy the president decided to share the decision process.
We would not put boots on the ground.
With the president urging Congress today to approve a military strike on Syria, the idea of the country in another war has Valley residents on edge.
I think the country is tired of war, and I think unless everybody's behind it, I don't think we should do it.
That's a catch-22 question, okay? We already have troops in Afghanistan. If it has to be done, then let's go ahead with it.
I hope he does get the congressional approval.
Dr. Suhair Battar is a Scottsdale resident who was born in Syria.
I lost family members, and it is very, very, very hard. It's very stressful.
She believes the president has to do something and send a strong message to Syrian President Bashar al-Assad.
If we don't do anything and let him go all the way, he is going to be a threat to our national security.
This would not be an open-ended intervention.
Whatever the president and Congress decide to do, residents' hope is for the good of the country.
I would like to urge our congressmen and our president to keep this dialogue up.
If we could be unified on one thing, then that would be nice.
In Scottsdale, Pete Serratos, ABC 15 News.